Hi, I'm Claire and I'm the editor of Prima Baby and Pregnancy magazine. I'm here today to talk to 3 women who are at various stages of their pregnancies about skin conditions we can suffer during pregnancy. We're just about to talk about the biggest one of all, the dreaded stretch mark. If you can introduce yourself.
Okay, my name's Vitunde. I'm 28 weeks pregnant and I'm having a little girl.
My name's Giselle. I'm 36 weeks pregnant and I'm having a baby boy.
Hi, I'm Ruth and I'm 14 weeks pregnant and I don't know yet, obviously.
Of course, you've still got that joy to come if you choose to find out. Have any of you experienced any stretch marks yet, or perhaps in your family, you know family members who have had stretch marks? Because the thing about them is they are supposed to be hereditary.
This is my second pregnancy and I have a 10-month-old baby and I didn't get any stretch marks, which I was quite shocked because my mum did. She has them all over her lower belly and I was really expecting to get some.
Giselle, what about you?
Well, my mother didn't have any stretch marks and she put it down to using cocoa butter and she said anything really with collagen in it is good. So I followed that regime because she didn't get any stretch marks, and so far I'm 36 weeks and I haven't had any stretch marks.
Oh, wonderful. And Ruth, what about you?
My mother was lucky and didn't have any stretch marks at all, but she swears blind on rubbing olive oil into her skin. I won't be trying that, I don't think, no.
I did actually try the olive oil. Maybe that's probably what happened with me. I tried olive oil, shea butter and cocoa butter and I was going crazy with it and it did work.
The skin, as you know, is made up of layers and the dermis is the middle layer. And it's this bit of the skin that stretches absolutely to capacity, and then when that breaks, the redness and the sort of purplish look of a new stretch mark is actually the skin underneath the dermis. The best way to help your skin to stay really supple is just to moisturise and use products that are known to help support the skin. Some really useful ingredients that are used in products that we use in our bodies. One of which is the cocoa bean, because it's very moisturising and it's very protective. A really good ingredient also is shea butter, and that comes from the shea nut. And now it doesn't look very pretty when it's in nut form, but when it's ground down into a lovely vegetable oil, the protective properties within that oil are very concentrated. Another really important ingredient in skincare products is vitamin E. And this is something that we get from the almonds. The almonds can be ground down into an oil or a vegetable butter, and that means that it's a much more concentrated formula, and then that's used in the products, and it's also got very protective and regenerative properties. So have you been trying anything in terms of your diet? Because obviously moisturising the outside of the skin is really important, but there's lots of things that you can eat that will help you to moisturise your skin from the inside out. So we all know about the omega fats, and obviously things like salmon, oily fish are really, really important for those sorts of fats, and they really just help the skin stay nice and elastic and nice and firm. Also things like avocado, walnuts, that sort of thing, so any kind of oils that come naturally from those nuts. And then also things like berries, because they all contain antioxidants which help to protect the collagen in the skin. So thank you, ladies. I think the main things that we've picked up on then are the facts that you can look after your skin both from the inside and outside when you're pregnant. And you can do that by using products with all these fabulous ingredients which we've discussed, and also by maintaining a really healthy diet. Something else I think is really important to remember is that if you do get the odd stretch mark, it's really nothing to worry about. When you think of what a wonderful, amazing thing your body has done, growing a little baby, then surely the odd stretch mark is a very small price to pay.